Looking for the latest tech or rare finds? Huaqiangbei has it all, and we're here to guide you through one of the largest and most dynamic electronics markets in the world. Known as China's Silicon Valley, Huaqiangbei spans 1.5 square kilometers, housing countless shops offering an unparalleled variety of electronic products. This bustling hub is a paradise for tech enthusiasts and a must-visit destination for anyone interested in technology. Huaqiangbei is not just massive, it's meticulously organized. Each section of the market specializes in different types of products. Huaqiang Electronics World, for example, is a multi-floor building that offers everything from the latest smartphones, laptops, and cameras to essential components like chips, resistors, and capacitors. The ground floor is packed with mobile phones and accessories, while the upper floors cater to those seeking computer peripherals and specialized electronic components. The product variety here is astonishing. Visitors will find portable fans, hair dryers, phone cases, smartwatches from brands like Huawei and Apple, Canon cameras, DJI drones, baby cameras, and even unique gadgets that are hard to find elsewhere. Accessories such as headphones, chargers, and laptop bags are available in abundance, catering to casual shoppers and tech enthusiasts alike. Shopping at Huaqiangbei is as exciting as it is rewarding, but it requires some savvy. The market offers a mix of genuine and imitation goods, so it's crucial to exercise caution. Always test items before purchasing and ask detailed questions to ensure the product meets your expectations. High-value items should be purchased from reputable shops, and don't forget to ask for a receipt. If you're unsure about authenticity, verify serial numbers through official brand channels. Bargaining is an essential part of the shopping experience here, so don't hesitate to negotiate for better prices. While the market is known for its affordability, prices can vary significantly between shops. A bit of patience and negotiation can go a long way in securing a great deal. Huaqiangbei isn't just about shopping, it's an experience. The vibrant atmosphere, filled with the hum of vendors showcasing their products and the lively buzz of eager shoppers, adds to the charm. The market is conveniently located and easily accessible via public transport, with dining options, cafes, and convenience stores nearby for a quick break during your visit. ATMs and banks are also readily available for secure cash transactions. To make the most of your trip, arrive early, as most shops operate between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. While many vendors can communicate in basic English, learning a few simple Chinese phrases like "how much?", "duo xiaoqian," or "can you lower the price?" "Ke yi bian yi dian ma" can enhance your experience and even help you negotiate better deals. Huaqiangbei is more than just a marketplace. It's a gateway to the heart of global electronics trade. Whether you're searching for cutting-edge gadgets, rare components, or simply soaking in the vibrant world of tech, this market promises an unforgettable experience. Stay curious, shop smart, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of this iconic Shenzhen destination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the world's most fascinating markets. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels!